and you don't need to have some special kashf or some special istikhara or some special thing about it. If you see those symptoms, you understand the reasons. What is making this in your life? So how to deal with that? You're going to take some water, a gallon of 20 liters, and you read on it Fatiha, Ayat al-Kursi, Qul huwallahu ahad, al-Falaq, an-Nas, plus 3 special verses to remove the sihr. It is the verses of Musa alayhi salam with the sorcerers of Fir'aun. It is where Allah Ta'ala says that Allah destroys the sihr by His words. It is these words of Quran that break the sihr and remove the sihr. So it is in Surah Al-A'raf, وَأَوْحَيْنَا إِلَى مُوسَى نَلْقِ عَصَاكَ فَإِذَا هِيَ تَلْقَفُ مَا يَفِكُونَ 117 to 122. And in Surah Yunus, فَلَمَّا أَلْقَى وَقَالَ مُوسَى مَا جِئْتُمْ بِهِ السِّحْرِ 81 and 82. And in Surah Taha, قُلْ لَا تَخَفْ إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْأَعْلَى from 68 to 70. So all these verses, you're going to read them 11 times each. Fatiha, Ayat al-Kursi, Qul huwallahu ahad, al-Falaq, an-Nas, Surah Al-A'raf 117 to 122, Surah Yunus 81, 82, and Surah Taha 68 to 70. So when you have read this on the water, that water will remove the jinn, sihr and evil eye by the will of Allah Ta'ala. So what are you going to do with it? You're going to drink from it, you're going to bathe with it. So each night you take 1 bottle of a liter and a half. You can heat it if you want to in the microwave, or take it cold. You will empty it on your body. You can take a shower before, or just directly empty it on you. So you can wash in the bath or the shower, but you have to put a basin under you to collect that water, to throw it outside in the garden, so that it does not go with the waste. And you're going to wash this way for 12 days. And you're also going to spray your house. So you put the water in a sprayer and you spray all the house, the walls, the roof, the earth, the ground, the doors and the windows. If you have a shop or a business or whatever workplace or vehicles that are not working because of sihr, so you're going to spray them all with that water and it's going to go. So I'm going to explain to you about this method. What does it mean? Reading Quran in water to drink and bathe and spray your house is much more efficient than only reading in the house. The difference between both is like if you are hot and you're cooling yourself down with a fan, and now you're cooling yourself down with a shower. So the shower will cool you down much more than the fan. This is how effective is reading Quran on water to drink and bathe and spray your house compared to just reading in the house. And also these verses, so the dua you find in hadith to protect yourself is reading Quran, also reading in your hands to wipe yourself, so that is protections. But once you are hurt, the protections now are not enough. You have to remove that thing that has happened to you. So this is why you must move on to treatment. And this is why you must do this procedure with water to remove what has got on you or in your house. And also these verses I have given you, they are the essential verses of ruqyah. So they are the capital verses. Then you can add much more verses of Quran that are in the hadith, in the ruqyah books, or in manzil, or whatever verses you want, or dua of Prophet ﷺ, or you can read more than 11 times. So the more you add verses, the more you add dua on it, the more the power of Quran will add into it. So even if you have a big problem, just keep on reading more and more and more until it will go. I'll just give you an example. I went somewhere in Madagascar, and there was one lady, one day all her hair fell off. And she got people to read on her 15,000 Ayat al-Kursi. I said, 15,000, how is that possible? She said, yeah, there are many of them.